PainCare VR uses virtual reality to help you learn essential skills to take control of your pain. Through fun, interactive lessons, you'll learn how to take simple steps to transform your body and mind's response to pain. In this video, we'll show you how to unbox your new PainCare VR, set it up properly, and give you an introduction into how to use the headset and controller, and what to do when you use the device for the first time. First, let's examine the contents of your PainCare VR box. Each box should come with an Oculus Go headset with the PainCare VR software pre-installed for your convenience, amplifier, a wall charger, and a USB charging cord, a controller, the PainCare VR manual, a microfiber cleaning cloth, the glasses spacer, and an account card with your Oculus login information. Before you put on the headset, we want to make sure you understand how to use the hardware. Let's take a look at the headset. To turn the headset on, briefly hold the power button down. When the headset is on, you will notice the light next to the button turn on. There are also two volume buttons that allow you to raise and lower the volume. Attach the amplifier to your headset. When you exhale through your mouth, the amplifier will direct your breath toward the microphone. Next, let's take a look at the controller. When you hold the controller, place your index finger on the trigger button. To make a selection, pull the trigger button. To return to the main menu, push the Oculus Home button once. If the controller indicator you see does not look like it is in alignment with your eyes, then you can recalibrate the controller by pushing and holding the Oculus Home button for 3 seconds. Now that you understand the hardware features, it is time to put on your headset. To adjust the straps on your headset, loosen the Velcro side straps. Starting from the back, put your headset on. If you wear glasses, you can add in the glasses spacer. In this case, you should put the headset on from the front. Tighten the side straps, then the top strap, and make sure the straps are snug but not too tight so they don't apply too much pressure on your head. To adjust your view, hold both sides of the headset with your hands and slowly move the headset up and down until the picture is clear and the headset feels comfortable. If you wear glasses, you can wear them inside the headset, but if it's more comfortable, you can try using the headset without glasses too. To start using PainCare VR, enter the library in the App Store. Select the PainCare VR tile. Watch the intro module for an overview of PainCare VR. From here, you can select from over 40 immersive and interactive experiences to help you live better with pain. To turn off your headset, press and hold down the power button for 3 seconds until you see a shutdown menu in the VR headset. Using your controller, be sure to select Power Off to shut it down completely. We recognize that life is what happens outside of the headset. That is why we offer the complimentary PainCare app for iPhone. An on-the-go toolkit, the PainCare app for iOS offers calming meditations, breathing tools, tracking functionality, and more so you can relax, reflect, and reinforce the key learnings from PainCare VR in your everyday life. Now that we've gone over the hardware setup for this device, please refer to the manual for further instructions.